Hard Drive Data Recovery, the Comprehensive Guide. Many hard drive users have ever experienced data loss due to various reasons as given below. Format hard drive, human error, viruses attack, antivirus utility, sudden shutdown, logical failure, system freeze, OS installation. If you have a backup of the hard drive, you can recover data from backup file easily. While how can you do to recover hard drive data without backup? 1. Recover lost data from hard drive without backup. PhoneLab Data Retriever is a powerful and safe software that can recover almost all deleted or lost data by scanning the hard drive. It is able to retrieve data lost for various reasons, such as hard drive failure, human error, and more. Step 1. Run this software. Download and install this data recovery software on your computer. Both PC and Mac versions are available. Then launch this program. If you want to recover data from other electronic data storage devices such as hard drive, memory card, etc., you need to connect them to the computer. Step 2. Scan data. On the main interface, choose the data types you want to recover and hard disk in which you lost the data. Then click Scan button to start the quick scan on the selected disk drive. If the quick scan can't bring your desired results, you can click Deep Scan to try again. Deep Scan takes more time to complete the whole process, but it brings more results. Step 3. Recover data. Look through the files displayed in the window and look for the items you intend to recover. You can also use Filter feature to quickly locate your needed files. Check the box alongside the items you want to retrieve, and then click the Recover button to save the selected files to your computer. Why choose PhoneLab Data Retriever? Because it 1. Can recover emails, image, document, audio, video, and more data. 2. Can recover data from memory card, computer, flash drive, digital camera, hard drive, and other removable drives. 3. Rescues data from various disasters, such as virus attack, unexpectedly crashes, non-responding, formation, deletion, and more. 4. Allows users to preview any data type with the detailed information. 5. Highly compatible with Windows and Mac. 6. Guarantees the data safe. When you retrieve lost database, it won't store any of these data to its server. 7. Has wizard-like easy-to-use interface. 8. Offers a 30-day free trial period. 2. Recover deleted files from hard drive with Windows Backup. Windows Backup is the starting point for all other backups, and contains all the data in the folders and files that are selected to be backed up. Because the Windows Backup stores all files and folders, frequent Windows backups result in faster and simpler restore operations. To restore deleted files from Windows Backup, do the following. Step 1. Go to Start menu on your computer. Step 2. In the Search for Files or Folders named box, type Backup. Step 3. Choose Backup and Restore from the resulting list. Step 4. Click Restore My Files. Step 5. In the Restore Backup dialog box, look through the content of the backup, and locate the files or folders you intend to restore. You can use Search, Browse for File, or Browse for Folders functions to look for your needed files. 3. Recover hard drive data from System Image Backup. A system image is an exact copy of a drive. By default, a system image includes the drives required for Windows to run. It also includes your system settings, programs, and files. You can use a system image to restore the contents of your hard drive if your hard drive or computer ever stops working. Unlike restoring from Windows Backup, when you restore your hard drive from a system image, it's a complete restoration. You can't choose individual items to restore, and all of your current programs, system settings, and files are replaced with the contents of the system image. Follow these steps to restore hard drive from a system image. Step 1. Insert the system image disk into the disk drive, or connect the external hard drive containing the system image to the computer. Step 2. Search Troubleshoot in the searching box. Step 3. Click the Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, System Image Recovery. Step 4. Your computer will boot to the Special Recovery menu. Then choose the target OS. Step 5. On the Re-image your computer page, select the Use the latest available system image option, and click Next. If you're restoring a full backup to a new drive, you can also select the Format and Repartition Disks option. Use this option carefully, as it will erase any existing partitions and disks on your computer. And click Next, Finish. 4. How to restore your Mac from a Time Machine backup. If you use Time Machine to back up your Mac, you can restore individual files, or restore your entire hard drive from a recent backup. Step 1. Restart your Mac. While the startup disk is waking up, hold down the Command and R keys simultaneously. Your Mac will boot into macOS Utilities. If it doesn't, try again. Step 2. Select Restore from Time Machine Backup from the list of available options. Click Continue. Step 3. Click Continue on the Restore Your System page. And then select your Time Machine Backup. Click Continue. Step 4. Select the most recent backup of your Mac's hard drive. Click Continue. 5. How to restore your Mac from a local backup. If you clone your Mac using a cloning program like SuperDuper or Carbon Copy Cloner, you can restore your entire hard drive from a backup, and even create a bootable installer. Step 1. Restart your Mac. While the startup disk is waking up, hold down the Command and R keys simultaneously. Your Mac will boot into macOS Utilities. If it doesn't, try again. Click on Disk Utility, and then Continue. Step 2. Select your Mac's hard drive. Click the Restore tab at the top of the Disk Utility window. Step 3. Select the external hard drive that your clone backup is stored next to restore from. Select your Mac's hard drive next to restore to, and then click Restore.
That's all. If you want to learn more details about PhoneLab, you can visit www.phonelab.com.